In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and replace words in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint, and then you want to select the Home tab up at the top. Over on the right side where it says Replace, go ahead and select that. You can also tap the Control and H key combination on your keyboard as well to open this up. And then it's going to say Find What, and then you want to select Replace With. Type that in here, and you can select Find Next, and you can select Replace or Replace All for all the occurrences that may appear on your presentation, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.